Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to make this decorative cart. This is made out of cardboard. So I'm going to take a cardboard box, and to make it strong, I'm just inserting the flaps towards the inwards and sticking them so that it becomes a little stronger. So I'm going to add Fevicol here. You can also use glue gun. And for the bottom one, I'm using one more cardboard and just sticking it to the bottom. This can be used to keep any gifts or arrange chocolates for anyone's birthday and surprise them. You can also use this as a decorative item. So I'm first adding painter's tape so that it stays intact because we have just added glue. Now to the bottom one, I'm just adding one more cardboard. So once this is done, we'll allow it to completely dry. Meantime, we'll take another thick cardboard and make circles out of it for the wheels. I'm going to use a lid as reference to make the circles. I'll cut the circles actually in pairs so that we stick them together to make it more thick. Then we'll add glue and stick them all together. We will allow this also to dry. We'll trim the edges and then use color paper to cover them. Now we'll come to the box, and now gift wrapping paper we will wrap it around to make it look more neat. See, this is looking so pretty already, right? We'll allow this to completely dry. This is covered completely now. Now I'm going to trim the circles. We had put two pieces, right? So that's why if you're taking a thicker sheet, then one single one is enough. I'm then going to use a red color paper to cover the circles. Again, I'm going to use the glue and stick them. You can do this on one side or both the sides. I'm just doing it on one side so that it's only visible from the one side, so I'm just using that. I'm just making two thin strips out of cardboard. This we will attach to two wheels in them so that they get some support. To cover the edges and to make a circle shape, I'm going to use white satin ribbon. So I'm going to add glue, and then through the circle I'm just taking the satin ribbon and also make these tiny strips and attach it like the wheel shape. So like this we'll make all the four wheels. It's looking so good already, right? Now we'll attach them to the cardboard box, and then for the support we are going to attach that thin strips which we prepared. I also covered them with the color sheet. So first we'll attach the wheels to the thin strips and then attach it to the cardboard. I have just arranged some chocolates. You can even keep the gifts. Hope you like the channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.